Hi guys, I'm Ashley Graham. Welcome to the Live Boldly road trip. First stop is my hometown, Lincoln, Nebraska. What makes me bold? My sexy, confident style, and that I stand for all women of all shapes and sizes. Body positivity, baby. When I'm home in Nebraska, I like to rock my everyday glam look with nudes and neutrals, and of course, a sexy pop of color. Red lip is everything. Let's go. So we're at one of my favorite spots in downtown Lincoln. It's called Goldenrod Pastries. It's female run, female owned, and it's one of the cutest boutique bakeries in the city.
Let me tell a little bit more.
Growing up in a small town truly helped me develop my sense of self. Even when I was in high school, when everybody around me was super low key, I still wore a full beat foundation, eyebrow contour, every once in a while a little lip. This spot represents so much of what I love about Nebraska. Celebrating a quintessential Midwest work ethic while staying true to their female spin. Welcome to Hickory Hollow Farm, a family-owned horse facility that offers riding lessons and boarding. For me, the idea of living boldly is about hard work, and I learned that here in Nebraska, which in fact is one of the top 5 happiest states. As a model, I've had to fight for my place in this industry and for the places that took me to the next level. Whether I'm walking a runway or riding a horse, I'm always striving to showcase my best self.